I think that as government prioritizes these classifieds and so on and so forth, maybe it would make sense if this supplementary was about domestic areas. Honorable Speaker, we have so many Ugandans that have accorded services and products to government, and government has refused to pay. That money is over 10 trillion shillings. People's businesses are closing. They have acquired loans so that they can do business with government, but government doesn't want to pay. I don't know why you keep consuming these services and products and you don't want to pay. Maybe bring us supplementaries about that, because we should be more interested in our Ugandan business persons whose businesses are crumbling, their houses are being sold, people are dying because of pressure, and government doesn't want to pay. Why?
Thank you. I went to Lubow Hospital, and honorable colleagues, I can tell you the work, in fact I've gone there twice, the work is very impressive now. I've used the word now. And I think the committee, I saw the Committee on Presidential Affairs visited. So what I'm going to do, I will request Prime Minister to arrange also LOP goes, because let me finish reporting what I saw. And when I went, I even had to interact with our young people who are working there. 700 are working, and they are working 24/7, even on Sunday, because one day visited on a Sunday, another day visited on a Wednesday. And the contractor whom they gave the contract, Technovia, told me that by the end of this April, they will have finished all structure works. That's, I'm reporting, and it's very important for me what I saw. So, yes, and Right Honorable, I will request you arrange for LOP to visit with his team. Let the Prime Minister first finish, then Honorable.
Right Honorable Speaker and Honorable Members, Happy New Year. Right Honorable Speaker, you have been spot on. We can arrange for the leader of opposition and other colleagues to visit. Colleagues, the work that is there now is at 61.8% complete. Physical. And I am reliably informed that all the equipment that is supposed to be used in that hospital is already manufactured and procured. Yes, the staff who are supposed to work in that hospital are still undergoing training in Italy. Right Honorable Speaker, I can confidently say as of now, we are at 61.8% complete. Colleagues, the contractor, like he has said, I have been there once. The contractor, the Technovia, is an international contractor, and they are working day and night. I request that we should give the money so that we complete this in April. I'm being sincere to you. You are going to go there yourselves. I have never, me, Nabbanja, I am a strong Catholic. And you know that I call a spade a spade. I always, you know that for me, when it comes to truth, and only the truth, I'll tell you the truth. So, I am being sincere to you. Let us support the contractor so that by April we have our hospital.
Yeah. Thank you. Right Honorable Prime Minister, I'll be linking with you. Okay, this is administrative, okay? LOP, I'm going to link up with the Prime Minister. We arrange, okay? Oh yeah, we arrange, you go, you visit the facility. Yes, yes, what the procedure matter?
Mr. Speaker, the procedure issue I have, I even raised it when the Speaker said the Deputy Speaker will go to Lubow. I asked her, a Speaker who is protected by the rules cannot debate. How will a Deputy Speaker present a report? I asked it. We signed a contract and the Minister of Health was supposed to represent Uganda. The Honorable Ruth Acheng, a medical person, and her team went there, they were chased. The contract was now put under the Prime Minister and Honorable Robin Nabbanja, who I respect, but she's not a medical person. The Auditor General has told you the engineer has been stopped access. I am saying the Auditor General. And we are paying on the basis of information provided by the engineer of Peneti. Right, Honorable Speaker? Who do we believe? Can we be told why health? Because I was in this parliament when we are adopting this resolution and said health will represent us. It was chased. Now the Prime Minister said I am a Catholic. Me, I went there. Did we ask you to go and represent us?
Now, right, Honorable, as you come. Now, honorable colleagues, let's admit, okay, what I can admit, and really, it is an open secret that there were problems. Okay, we admit by the time they even shifted to the Prime Minister, I think they wanted someone more authoritative. We must admit there were problems, but in the last 6 months. The progress that has been made in the last 6 months, it's what, right, Honorable Prime Minister, you need to showcase to members. Because if members really, because there is nothing, now even if you are at Zana, around Zana, even you got Zana, you just see the whole building, okay? So, right, Honorable Prime Minister, showcase the good work you've managed to do since you took over.
Right, Honorable Speaker and Honorable Members. I feel Honorable Ssenyonyi should be educated that I am the lead of government business in Parliament. Under Article 108, I'm not an intruder in this house. And so, I represent you, even you, Ssenyonyi. Yes, I'm not quarreling, but I thought I should educate my brother. You know we are close. So, Right Honorable Speaker and Honorable Members, it is an open secret. I am going to go with my brother. We go together. Should we go there tomorrow? Now it's not possible.
You can do next week, right, Honorable?
Let's do it next week.
Yeah.
Tuesday next week at 10 we are there. Me
Very
and
good.
you.
Very good. Good progress, okay? Thank you. Honorable Minister for Finance. Tuesday next week, we shall have a grand joint tour. I think you need to go together from here. Yeah, so that you make a convoy from here. So, no, don't meet as if you had no program. You go straight.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker, let me take this opportunity to appreciate the Committee on Budget for considering our motion and recommending that the House passes it. I also want to thank Honorable Ssenyonyi for taking time to critically analyze our proposals line by line. Mr. Speaker, I want to respond on two main areas. Area one is on the compliance requirements of the law. Mr. Speaker, the law is very clear, as has been explicitly stated, that for an item to qualify for supplementary expenditure, it must be unavoidable, it must be unforeseeable, mainly these two. Mr. Speaker, we have run through these budgets together for quite some time. If I reduced every item in this budget to these two tests, if you don't pass on one, you'll go on two and pass. If you don't pass on unforeseen and you subject it to unavoidable, you'll pass. Sorry? When Honorable Namuga was speaking, I was attentively listening. Unavoidable items are those which occur in the financial year that cannot wait for another financial year. And unforeseen items are those at the time of budgeting which did not come to your attention but have arisen in the course of budget execution. Mr. Speaker, I now come to some members are even concerned and want to put me to an extent of telling them what classified is. Mr. Speaker, classified is classified. In our lines, they appear, it's a one-line item spending. Mr. Speaker, lastly, under Section 24 of the Act, they are provided for. Mr. Speaker, my last point is, State House, for the purposes of budgeting and planning, is not a residence. State House is an entity of government.